Hi beauties, happy new year. It's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are back for another global Stampers Hop. And this month we're doing a celebration. So I decided to choose this celebration called Adorable Owls. And I thought we'd make a nice birthday card. So I'm going to take this little hoot owl here, and we're going to choose the My Friend and It's Your Day. And let's go ahead. We're going to go step by step. I also have the double oval punch here. I've got my stamps already on the blocks. And this is going to be a fairly easy card. I have a piece of designer series paper from the florals there. And I just thought this screamed birthday. I did punch out a stitched oval. I have for the inside of the card. It is smaller, but you know what? I think it's adorable with just a little bit. Sometimes you don't want to write a whole bunch, so I'm making it work. I also have some scrap of the basic gray and some scrap of the basic white. So let's go ahead and get some stamping. We are going to use our Memento Tuxedo Black, and that is because I'm going to do some coloring, and we're going to go ahead and just get that all inked up there. Excuse me. And let's go ahead and we're going to just get this guy right in there. I push down, hold it down for just a second, and there we go. I will let that dry just really quickly. And while we're doing that, I'm going to get the My Friend. And since we're doing the black, I'll just stick with it. If I were in a different color, let's say my background was maybe a melon mambo, then I would choose to do this in maybe a melon mambo. So I'm going to just stamp that down, pull that back up. I do not like that one. Good thing it is that one's much better. We're going to try it one more time. Don't ever be afraid to just try, and that's why we use our scraps. I'll tell you, this is my Memento because I over-inked it, but I like this middle one the best. We're going to take our oval punch there, and we are going to center that. So you do not need to worry about how straight it is until you are punching that out. So now we've got our second piece done. And while I have my oval punch, I'm just going to grab that basic gray and punch out that double oval. This goes back into my scraps because we will use that again. And I'm going to get that It's Your Day. And this one, I do want to get that fairly center. Just looking to make sure that I don't overdo. Okay. And there we go, right in that area, still leaving plenty of room to write your greetings. All right, so let's go ahead and put this together. I've got that basic gray. It is cut right down the center. Excuse me. Right in half at 5.5, and then scored at 4 1/4. We're going to take our bone folder, and as you can see, like, let me just show you. This is how much room there is when it just lays flat. But once you burnish that down with the bone folder, I flip it over and do the other side as well. And now it's laying completely flat. So I will show you again here that it is completely flat. Okie dokie. We're going to put this together. I'm going to get out my Stampin' Seal. And I just put a piece here, a piece there. And then we're going to put the edges nice, and I measure all these edges out. And then hopefully, if it's cut properly, it'll have a nice square edge all the way around, just like it does there. And we've got this little My Friend. And we will put that here. And then I'm going to go ahead and color our little owl in. All right, I have chosen a variety of colors. I've used the dark and light Calypso Coral. That'll be for his body. I've got his Pool Party, some So Saffron. These are all dark. And then the light gray granite, just to give a little bit of poof here and there. So we'll go ahead and start out with some of the dark. I'm using the thin side here. And we're just gonna make him this color here. I think I've never really colored owls before, so I don't know what exactly they look like. We have some owls outside of our home, but I'm still not sure. They're more of a white and a gray, but I just wanted to give this guy a little bit of color. So then I'm going to take my light, because I don't want to make him too dark, and we're going to go ahead and color right over that and get it to blend in. Oh, see, that's a little cute. And I love coloring with the blends. It's so forgiving. And what else? Oh, I'll tell you that this is about celebration. We decided to use celebration as our theme for the month. We do it the first Wednesday of every month, so make sure to set your calendars to see. I'm gonna put all the global stampers who participate in the link down below in the description. So make sure you follow that and check everybody out here, because I'll tell you, they are talented. So I'm just going back over again these areas to really mix in those colors. And then, I'm going to use the Mango Melody for this area here. And these guys here. This one is just the Stampin' Right marker. And then I'm going to go in with the light gray granite. For these other areas. I'm not going all the way. I'm going to leave some of it white, because like I said, my owls around the house here seem to be white and gray, but I wanted to give them a little bit of color. I'm just just going around here. So celebration is going to be from January 4th. So I guess today, while you're watching this, you can get into the celebration. And then I'm going to give him some really pretty pool party blue eyes. Aw, that's so sweet. I'm also going to make his hat match with his pretty eyes there. So celebration is only lasting 2 months this year, guys. It's only January and February, and it's the only one this year. So if you are going to be wanting to participate, we're not doing it in March anymore. That's so cute. And the sign-up special, you guys, is amazing during celebration. It's $99. And you get to choose $175 worth of product. Normally, it's only $125. And that's for $99. Now, if you add an additional $30 to join, you also get to choose your $175 worth of product. Plus, you can get one of these Stampin' Cut Emboss machines in this color or in a boho, like bluish gray color. And it is so cute. I think it's called boho blue. I'm not 100% sure. But we're going to take this guy, and I cut a larger circle out that we're just going to layer him on there. Just line that up like that. And then we're going to get our Stampin' Dimensionals. And you can put as many or as few as you want. I'm just going to put the one down for time's sake there. I'm going to line that up. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Ooh, there we go. And we're going to put that right here. So it says, my friend, it's your day. And how cute is that little birthday card? So that is what mine was for a celebration. Adorable there. Oh, adorable owls. And I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Check out the other stampers, the other global stampers. They are amazing, like I said. And if you need any information on purchasing these, you get the celebration items for every $50 that you spend. You get to choose one celebration item. There's also the next level, which is a $100 level. And you can choose one of those free items as well. The new catalog starts today. Celebration starts today. And we are going to just have so much fun. Make sure you stay tuned. So I will be posting more videos with more celebration items. And if you are in the United States, welcome. If you'd like to become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator on my team, we are called the Stamping Beauties, and I would love to have you become a Stamping Beauty. All right, enjoy your day. Happy New Year, and have a great one. Bye.